What's up, y'all? Good morning, bright and early. I'm back here at Lake Parker, man. I wanted to come back here and give it another go. Last time I was out here, didn't do too bad. I was actually satisfied with the results. So I'm back out here again, just to keep the consistency of doing something different other than tenor rock. Had to make a run back here. Yesterday I did Hillsborough River, and that was bittersweet or sweet bitter or whatever you want to call it. But today I'm out of Parker again, so let's go get after it, man. Stick around. This one, John. Felt that on the fall. Huh? Golly, that took forever, man. Not a bad guy. Horrible day so far. About 6:15. Let him get out of here. Get over here, guy. Yeah, we ripped your whole face off. Huh? ChatterBait? Oh, okay. ChatterBait action. All right, buddy. That's what I thought. Oh, what in the hell? Yeah, but I can't tell if that's a bass or a mudfish. Ah, it's a bowfin. Damn. Like I was like that. I saw it. I was like, that looks huge. It's my JackHammer too, man. Just come off, please. Thank you. Golly. I hit it once, and I was like, I know that was a bite. stay down. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. Man, I guess we got another little guy here. Another little guy. We'll get him out of here, man. So, man, I apologize, y'all. I ain't been doing too much talking. It's been a rough day, man. Rough day. Took a very, very, very long time for me to even catch a fish. I almost didn't make a video. But I guess I made a video because y'all watching it right now. But yeah, it's been a struggle, man. Like I said, out here at Parker, man, last time I was out here, decent day. Today, complete boo-boo day, man. I got 3 fish and it's taking me all day to get those fish. So, just gonna keep at it, man. Again, apologize for not much narration going on here, but the days like this, man, try to focus on fishing, man, and try to get something. But we in there right now, so we'll keep it rolling, see what we do. All right, check in a little bit, y'all. Peace. Adam. 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 I got a school right here blowing up. What is that? Come on in here. Come on, big dog. Hey, you want some of this? Oh, man. Hey, it was a school busing right here. Yeah, that's what I was trying to call you. Okay, that's my biggest one so far, I believe. Maybe. Ooh, healthy little guy. All right. Okay, I'm gonna let you go, bro. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, love you too, man. Huh. Yeah, I know. I wasn't ready for that. I was trying to turn my head. Let's go, big guy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It just took us, man, 6 hours to get some stuff going. But we got, this is a pretty bass, but we got some stuff going. All right, there, 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 there. All right, my man. Peace out. Peace. All right, I'm out of here, man. All freaking day long, been out here. But hey, still have fun, still caught some fish. Took me a very long time to catch those fish, but they were still caught. So I'm cool with it. Time for me to get off now, head home. Guess I gotta go to sleep, get back up, and come back out and fish again tomorrow morning. So I'm out of here, man. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys so much. Leave me a like if you liked it. and hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And until next video, y'all take it easy. Peace.